Hi friends, today I will show you how to order a Google search template on DigiPlay. Go to the photo gift section through your storefront link. I'm choosing an acrylic photo print with 3 mm thickness. Select preferred size and options. I choose wooden stand, but you can select other options as well. By clicking customize design, you will enter the editor tool. In the template section, you can find the Google search template. Select this template and rearrange it if needed. Now upload your pictures and arrange them as you like. By clicking the crop button, you can change the photos ratio. Now let's add text to the search bar by clicking add text. Change the font or style as needed. When everything looks good, click save and preview. Then add to cart. Proceed to checkout and pay. Your order will be delivered to your home. That's it. Thank you.